Hi, today we're going to delve into the courses section. This is the place where all the published projects are converted to actual learning modules, courses, content that your learners can actually use. To access this section on your Wonder menu, just click the courses section or menu and you should see a page something like this. So you will notice it is somehow familiar with the project section. The only difference here is the courses are the actual published or package version of your projects. Okay, if you will remember, if you will go into the project section, you can select a project and then you will have access to the publish button here on the upper right. So this will publish this project into an actual course. Similarly, on your project builder or course builder, there's a publish button on the top right also. So from here you can also publish. So newly published courses or newly published projects will land here on the courses section. But if say you already have a published project and then you just added new content, new slides, new materials, you can republish it by clicking this button again, and the course will automatically be updated with those added contents. Okay, so let's do a quick example. So from here you can see that the last course that we have published is this one, the walkthrough. Okay, say we want to publish the course or the sample course that we've been working on or using as the demo. Just select on it and then click the publish button. So depending on how many slides you have or how many content, it will notify you if the project has been successfully published as a course. So if you go back to the courses section and hit refresh, we can now we should be able to see there the newly published course. Okay, so that's how it is done. Okay, so let me just give you a quick tour of what settings you have or what options you have here on the courses section. So from the top right, let's check the icons one by one. You have the ability to create a new folder. So you can organize your courses by folder. You can group them into folders. So similarly like this one. Okay. So if you want to go to inside a folder, just double click. And then from here you can see the courses inside this folder. To go back to the main, just click the back arrow. You can also move specific course or courses to a new or another folder using this move to folder icon. Okay, select the first thing you do is select a course thumbnail and then hit that move to folder and select the folder that you want for the new location or as the new location, or you can create a new folder if you want to using this create folder button. You can also search for specific course name by entering that keyword and then hitting the search button or pressing enter to your keyword. Okay, other options that we have is you can view your courses into grid or list view. So you can better see some parameters like the title, owner, who owns the course, a number of people or users enrolled, date modified, and then if certain courses have access duration or expiration date, it will also show here. You can also sort your courses by name, by date published. Then you can also, this is where you also can enroll your users. So you just select a specific course and then hit the enroll user. So all the users that were added here, you can access them. So you just type their name. So for instance, we just select this one. That's Eddie Boy. So Eddie Boy will be enrolled to this course. You can enroll multiple people, just like that. Okay. And then you can also unenroll people by selecting the course, hitting the enroll users, and hitting the remove icon, like that. Okay. And then if you want to preview or play the course, there's a play icon here. That later we're gonna check that out. But first, let me just give you information for the other settings or options that you have. You have the course information. So this gives you more details about this specific course, like the location, where it is located. Is it in the root or on the specific folder? The title of the course, the description, the owner, meaning who created this course, the selling price, if this is free or it has a paid or if this is a paid course, passing percentage grade, the access duration, if this is private or publicly available course, the status of this course is offline, so it is not live, and other type of information that you can use. Okay, so earlier I mentioned that this course is not yet live, so it's offline. So offline courses are indicated by the red title, while online courses have a like a dark gray title on them. So what does it mean? So offline courses are only available to admin and to the content creator who created this specific course. So this is a good way to test your course before you release it for the public or to your team, or before you make it a live course. So you can simulate the activities, you can test, you can watch the videos, take the quiz to see if everything is okay before you make them live. Okay? So courses that are not yet live or that are offline are not available or viewable for the learners. Okay? Only the admin and the content creator who made that course can see or preview that course. Okay? So another important section here is the course setting. So to access that, just select a specific course and then hit the settings icon. So from here you have some options. First is if you want to tag this to be included on your essential or recommended section on the Wonder mobile app. Okay, because on the Wonder mobile app, there's a section there for the essentials and recommended. So you can say on your organization, you have courses in which it should be or it is recommended that everyone should take that course or that learning material. So you can tag it as essential. and make it public so everyone can self-enroll on that course. Recommended courses, on the other hand, can be connected to your course category, because recommended courses will be shown to those people who added specific category on their profile. Say you have different teams. You have HR team, and then you have a course category for HR. If this course is tagged as including in the HR category, then it will be recommended to those people who have HR on their profile, or they selected HR courses as their one of their topic of interest or their course category. Later I'll be showing you more about the category section. Okay, below this there's a course notification. Okay, so you can notify about the release of this course to everyone that is added on your LMS or on your Wonder platform. So everyone will get a notification. So later I'm going to show you how we can send notification and on which channel. Meaning we have an option later to send notification via the mobile app, via SMS or text message, or via email. So yes, you can send notification to everyone or to enrolled users, meaning only those enrolled users will get notified about this course, about this new course, or if there's an update for this course. And then selected topic of interest or category, meaning only those people who have selected topic of interest in which this course belongs to. Okay, and then you can also add tags. So tags are searchable keywords that users can use to search for specific course. So it's good that you add tags that might be included inside the course, because aside from the title of the course itself and the description, you can make use of tags for specific content that is inside your course, so users can search for that. Okay, and then you can add a category or select the category in which your course belongs to. Say example, this course belongs to just an example, okay, say business and then sales and marketing. So you're gonna select that, and then this is for personal development. So you can select or tag your course to include into a multiple category. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then this is what I mentioned before for the course notification, and then selected topic of interest. Say a user on his profile, he has personal development as one of his topic of interest, or the course category that he is interested in. Okay, so I can notify those users that has the personal development topic of interest or category to get notified about this course. So that's how it works. Okay, so another important thing here